today's video is going to be about nail art. Namaste beautiful people, I'm Saloni and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, I want to tell you that my channel is all about how to make your life easier in terms of styling, creating easy DIYs that will save your money. And today's video is going to be about nail art. So we are going to do a face nail art. It is very simple, you can do it. I'm going to share easy tricks and let's get started. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video.
Let's apply the transparent nail paint, and here's a tip for you. Don't use any colorful nail paint without using a transparent base coat because it harms your nails. So I've learned this from my sister and we love to do nail art together. Let the transparent nail paint dry and now we'll apply the skin color to our nails. And if you want, you can choose any different color. It's all up to you. We are just taking skin color because I want to give the look of that face. And now our first coat is ready. Always give 2 coats to your nail paint because it instantly looks very bright and looks very amazing. And if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to press that subscribe button. For the first technique, we are going to use a 000 brush. So we are just going to draw such random lines, and if you want, you can use any different color combination. But I feel the blue color is popping up with the skin color. Don't worry, you just have to make very random lines and it will look really very classy the way I'm doing it right over here. And for the second technique, we are going to use toothpicks. So all of us, we have a toothpick in our kitchen. So just take a toothpick and then you have to make lines like this. Okay, let me give you a closer look. Make a line and then you have to fill the inside part like this. And if you're enjoying this nail art video, please don't forget to press that subscribe button. Let us all learn and grow together every day. And please let me know in the comments below if you want me to do any different nail art for you. I'd love to do that. So remember, whenever you're doing nail art next time, you should always give 2 coats so that the nail art is very bright and looks amazing. So we are just giving the second coat of the blue nail polish, and now we are going to do the face. So this is like a line art face. You just have to make the nose and your eyebrows like this. Now we make the eyes. So it is very simple, once you start doing it, you'll know how to do it exactly. So face nail arts are really very simple. You just have to practice and trust me, you can do it. Now we are just trying to do the lips, and here our face nail art is almost ready. With the help of a toothpick, I'm going to make her hair. So this is like a woman's face. Now for her cheeks area, we are going to take baby pink color and we'll just make a small dot right over the cheeks, and here's our face nail art ready. Please press that subscribe button if you're enjoying this video, and let me know in the comments below if you like this nail art. Now we'll add the baby pink color inside the blue color so that it looks very classy. So here we go, we are just adding a very thin line of a baby pink color. This nail art is so simple, anyone can do it. Just try it and let me know in the comments below. And we're just adding few more lines to our thumbnail, and if you want, you can also add on few extra lines. So I feel we'll do that. So I'm just going to add on few extra lines, and also we'll add on some extra lines of blue color. It's all up to you. You can create your nail art the way you want it, and trust me, just try it once and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. It just feels so good to explore new things. If you don't have a dot and tool, it's totally fine. You can also use the toothpick like we did earlier. Here's one more tip. Always remember to apply transparent nail paint at the end of your nail art. It gives so classy touch.
If you've enjoyed watching this video and it has been of any use, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember, to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because this year I am dedicated to create daily videos to keep you all inspired and to make 2022 your best year ever. So I'll see you in the next video with something really amazing. Till then, take care, and I'm sending you lots and lots of love and a virtual hug.